Okay, we'll do it again. Nathan, I like your necklace.
Thanks.
Where'd you get it?
Jar gave me.
Dar gave it to you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, why'd he give it to you?
Jar gave me.
He gave it to you? Why did he give it to you?
Jar.
Oh, Jar. Oh, not. Okay, gotcha. Jar gave it to you. Let me see. Is it a nice necklace?
Yeah.
You like it?
That's my oven.
Oh, you're gonna put the necklace in your oven?
This goes in the oven.
Oh, okay.
Get this off. Thanks. This goes in the oven.
Okay. Hot temperature?
Then you want to lose it? Yeah. This is
Nene, where's your necklace?
right here.
Ah. Who gave you that necklace?
Jar.
Ah, okay.